creating a false floor in front of the box. So here you're gonna see the woofers ports all the way open and at the bottom. The back seats are basically sitting right here. Then we're gonna make a false floor. That's something that that part, it was just a representation of what I imagine, but that's where the amplifier is gonna be. And we gotta create some vents for the heat on the amplifiers to flow and keep those amplifiers cool. But that's the idea. What I'm doing here, this is gonna be the amp rack cover. So basically what we're creating is a false floor. When you open the hatch on this truck, it's gonna look like nothing is there, especially if we have the cover on. But that's where the amplifier is gonna live. Amplifiers are gonna be on there. We're creating an amp rack made out of aluminum that is gonna bolt it to the truck, and that's where the amplifier is gonna live. This is how it's gonna look like. So all these windows are gonna have grills, and we're gonna wrap all of this in black carpet, and that's why we're making these lines to look kind of like it's just a regular floor. All of this shape is the edge of all the plastics around the truck. It's gonna be able to be removable, and then you're gonna see the amplifiers right here. The vents are gonna use multiple purposes. Some is gonna, so that way all the sound from subwoofers can push it through this direction, and basically in the back is also gonna be completely open. So when we have the box all the way here, you're gonna have full opening completely. It will look like it's not, but it will be completely open. A lot of stuff going on this thing. Mount all of these, we're gonna make it serviceable, but the idea is if a client ever wants to just remove this thing, and who knows, maybe get another vehicle, the distance between here and here, it's almost the same like any Suburban, Tahoes. They have the same width, so you can put it back on that thing without problem.